what the fuck, it's not working. You just don't want to think about any material things that you wished for. So these were my thoughts when I went to park, and I went there to get energy for fulfilling the 2-cup manifestation technique in order to get the dreams that I have to fulfill. So I'll talk to you later about what dream exactly, and I'll show you how this experiment and how this technique is fulfilled in details. And before that, I wanted to tell that I'm Dinara, and on my channel I talk about manifestations. So why do people have doubts about manifestation? The first reason is this. Some of the dreams come true, and some of the dreams they just don't come true no matter how hard they try. And the second reason is that when you type manifestation in Google, you see all these pictures which are very strange. You see all these people who are very strange, and they when they look like this, when this, like, even images and pictures with clothes look like this, it doesn't evoke any credibility in me, so that I'm always in doubts, and I'm asking myself, is it working? And I see in my life that it's working, but why I don't have everything that I manifested like years ago? Maybe I need to just respect my my way, my route, and be patient, and it teaches me to surrender and stuff. But my journey here shows you how it will work for beginners, whether it works or not, because of course authors like Abraham Hicks and like different coaches, they will say that it will work. It works because they sell it, because it's their job, because it's something that they have to sell to audience and tell you that it works. But for someone who comes from a very like scientific background, who believes in science, who believes in education and stuff, it's very hard to believe. That's why I'm doing all these experiments to find out, for me, is it really working? And some days I'm like, wow, this shit works, because I see incredible things manifesting in my life, like getting presents and getting money, and I'll leave all the videos with the information in the link down below. But some days I'm like, what the fuck, it's not working, and I'm very pessimistic about that. So yeah, this experiment will help me to understand whether this really works or not. So for the experiment yourself, you need to have 2 cups of water. I have a holy water here. Maybe you have some places where you can get holy water near your home, but if it's ordinary water, it's fine. But I think that the fate will be higher, and the probability for success will be higher if you have this extra fate, and I have it by having like holy water. So here I have 2 post-its where I written the current situation that I have, which is my YouTube is not monetized. I have only about 300 subscribers and 3 hours of watch time, and my goal, my wish is for my YouTube to be monetized, to be able to add it to the AdSense account, and for that I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hours. So first we take this cup and we imagine our situation right now. So how it feels right now. I'm going to the state. After that, I am slowly pouring this water into the cup and imagining the transition into a reality where I'll have my channel monetized. I'll spend 2 minutes imagining what it will feel like when I'll finally get the email from YouTube that I can finally monetize my channel and I can add AdSense. And 2 minutes later, you just need to drink this water. And wait for 21 days, and we will see will it work or not. This is like the super transparent, super direct, straightforward experiment, and you will see the results together with me, because in 21 days I'm going to make a video telling you did I reach my goal or not. You know what's funny is that when you are in a state like this and when you are in a place like this, you just don't want to think about any material things that you wished for, or like any manifestation that I had so far. It seems so like small and irrelevant, and they just don't want to think about anything. So in order not to miss that, in order not to miss our results, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in this video. I'll be liking all of the comments and answering all of the questions you have about manifestations. In the following weeks, I'll be testing all different kinds of techniques, all different kinds of manifestations. And the one that I have in mind is Joe Dispenza. He has his 4-week transformational program and in his book, and I'll be following all the instructions and I'll see how it will change my life, and I hope you'll follow along and see it together with me. I'll be making videos about applying all other techniques, all other authors' advices, and you'll be able to witness it all and to see how this beginner manifestation is fulfilling her dreams, because I know that it's hard to believe someone who has 1 million subscribers, someone who has like 100,000 subscribers, because it seems that it's easier for them to manifest their dreams because they have these platforms, they have this subscribers, this influence, this money, and it's much easier for them to manifest rather than for someone who is only starting and who is having a lot of doubts. So I hope this will add you faith, this will add you more wishes, and see you next week on my next experiments, and see you in 21 days also in order to check whether my channel got monetized in 21 days or not.